GH Dog TV, your number one TV for all dog lovers.
My name is Na. You can call me Queen Na or Elizabeth Square.
Are you just a dog owner or you're also a breeder as well?
No, it's my dad who owns the dog, so I also help him out.
Okay, that's beautiful. So can you tell us something about this beautiful dog here?
Yes, we imported it, and then there are two. Yes, then one is the other there. So this one is Aris.
Nice one. So how do you see today's event?
Oh, it was very great. This is my first time coming here, and then I'm so happy to see different types of dogs and different types of people who breed dogs and do stuff. So I'm really happy. I'm wishing that next time it will be great more than this.
So whenever there's a dog show or something like that, I'm sure you'll be here to rep.
Yes, of course, I'll be here.
My name is Bismarck Bonze. I'm from Alpha Handy Kennel.
Alpha Handy Kennel. Okay. Yeah, I think I've seen the page on social media.
Yes, please.
Yes,
Yeah.
You've really got beautiful dogs, right?
We have German Shepherds and Rottweilers.
Yes. So you actually came to rep both of the events today.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
And you have this beautiful dog right here as well. I'd like you to tell us something about this beautiful shepherd.
Okay, this is Lena, and she likes to play. She likes to show off, and she is 1.5 years. And I brought her from Kenya. Yeah.
Nice one, love. Long coat.
Yes, please.
Very beautiful black German shepherd right there. Lovely viewers, check out this beautiful dog. But then how do you see today's event?
Well, this is my first time presenting a German Shepherd to a show, and I've really loved the show. In fact, the weather wasn't favorable, so I thought it might, flop, or like people would not even represent their dogs. But I'm surprised that I've seen a lot of dogs, and I'm really impressed.
Okay, my name is Emmanuel of Petzlings GH.
Petzlings GH, yeah, I think I follow you on Instagram.
Sure.
Okay, nice one, bro. How do you see today's event?
Wow, I love it so much. I'm very impressed with the kind of dogs I've seen here. Oh, I think everyone needs to be here. Everyone in GH needs to be here.
And if you weren't here today, then you missed out. Top quality dogs right here. Boss, and you have this beautiful dog. I also like you to tell my lovely viewers something about this dog.
Sure. This Everest, son of Knox. Okay. He's a young boy in our kennel right now. So we are expecting more great things from him.
Wow. I love that right here. I love that right here. Now let's check out this beautiful dog right here, bosses. Let's check him out. Boss, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
I'd like you to mention your name and also the position you hold, and also the name of your kennel as well.
I'm Obin Michael, CEO of PDK Kennels, and I'm the Executive Director of KUG Rottweiler Club of Ghana.
Yeah.
Nice one, bro. So how do you see today's event? And did it really meet your expectations?
Massive, massive. As you can see, we're expecting like some few dogs, but with the Rottweilers alone, I can count like 25 and plus. And you can see the drive, the energy. Our expectation was seriously on point. We are so amazed. We are so amazed. Thank you.
Nice one. And I'm sure you're going to be organizing lots of events like this as well.
Lots. This is just fun and meet, greet and drink. This is just the main prelinks for the main show. So this is our expectation. We will see how far the next show will be. I think this is just an exact replica of how it's going to be in the next feature. So I think this is best. The expectation was very good.
Before I leave you to go, for somebody who hasn't yet joined the Rottweiler Club, what can you tell such people? They have dogs, they breed, but they are not part of the club.
Well, that's the main thing. That's the main goal of this show. To draw everybody in the shadows out. I think when this thing hits the videography and the blogging, people are going to be aware. Come on, let me bring my dog. Oh wow, these Rottweilers. And they're all going to bring their dogs here and we join KUG. We want to promote KUG. We want to promote the Rottweiler Club of Ghana. We want to make it big. That's all.
Nice one, lovely viewers. We want to promote the KUG. We want to promote the Rottweiler Club of Ghana, the JSD Club, and all of the other clubs as well. Just as the boss man PD said. Boss, thanks for having me on the show.
Very much, Solo. Thank you very much.
My name is Chris. I'm the founder of Grassom Kennel.
Nice one. Are you into just German Shepherds?
Yes, just German Shepherd, basically.
Okay. So how do you see today's event?
Oh, today's event was quite insightful. I got to see a lot of different German Shepherds, good quality German Shepherds, and I was quite impressed.
Nice one. And you have this beautiful dog right here as well. Before you go, I can see you on your way. Can you tell us something about this beautiful dog? I love this dog, honestly.
This is Gomez. He's from Poland. He's 3 years. I think very soon we are going to see big things from him. Yes.
Lovely viewers, he's promising you that very soon you're going to see wonderful things from Gomez right there. Lovely viewers, let's check out Gomez right there. Beautiful German Shepherd right there. Beautiful German Shepherd right there. Come on, just check him out.
My name is Eric.
What about you?
This is Nene.
Nene, let me start from you first and then I get to Nene. How do you see today's event?
Today's event was marvelous. I mean, the kind of dogs we have in Ghana here, everybody should try and get a pedigree dog in their house. Because like the kind of dogs we have here, we are shutting down Africa very soon. So everybody should get ready. Egypt, Nigeria, we are giving them competition.
Nice one. Wherever you're watching us from in Africa, it says you're throwing the challenge to you. Now, can you tell us something about this beautiful dog guy?
This is my breeding female. Her name is Amadaria. She's 5 years. Imported her from Russia, and I can say she's one of the best females in Ghana. Bergaturi Lions, Tivesco Duma, and I'm telling you, she's one of the best. She's one of the best. So everybody, you can follow my Instagram page, Aristo House Kennels. Yeah, Aristo House Kennels. Yeah.
Nice one.
And contact me. I'll be available for everyone.
Lovely viewers, he just dropped out his Instagram account. Go check him out, follow him out. Now, let me get to you as well, boss man. Can you tell us something about this lovely dog too?
This is Madrid. I imported from Serbia. My friend and I run the Aristo House Kennel. He's just 7 months, so growing. Yeah, just 7 months.
7 months and he's looking all beautiful like that.
He's just 7 months. From his mom is the dam is Shepherd of Sarah, and then the dad. The name Hanover Del Dido, yeah, from Serbia. Yeah. See, we are shutting Africa down. Ghana. See, oh, I've seen very beautiful dogs here today. Yeah, the dogs are very, very nice and everything. Actually,
big challenge to the other African countries. He says Ghana. That's what they are saying. Ghana is shutting Africa down. Now, lovely viewers, this is what we have for you today on GH Dog TV. Today, we were at Dzorwulu, Astros Park for the German Shepherd exhibition show and also the Rottweiler exhibition show. 2 shows on one day, and I'm sure you love the footages. If this is your first time of watching a video on this channel, you kindly subscribe to our channel and then hit on the notification bell icon for more exclusive and amazing dog content. You can also follow us on all of our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at GH Dog Blogger. My name is Solowan. You can call me the Dog Blogger. Catch you another time.
GH Dog TV, your number 1 TV for all dog lovers.